Should you have a bracket that comes loose at home and it's bothering your lip, cheek, or tongue, you can use the wax that was provided in your water bottle when you got your braces on. You're gonna slide the bracket to one of the brackets closest to it, and then you'll take a piece of your wax. You'll roll between your fingers to get the wax kind of soft and pliable, and then put the wax around both of the brackets to keep the bracket from sliding from side to side. That will reduce the amount of rubbing and irritation to your cheek. If you don't have wax available, you can use a piece of sugar-free chewing gum. You'll just want to chew the gum up, and same thing, you'll use it as a wax substitute and put the two brackets together as so.